Hi friends, welcome to this session. In this video, we'll install Docker on Windows Pro Edition. So to check the version of your operating system, what you can do is go to Control Panel, click on System and Security, click on System, and you can see that the Windows Edition is Windows 10 Pro. Good. Next, go to the browser, type Docker install Windows, go to the official site of Docker. Here you can see that we are installing Docker for Windows Pro Edition. So the tool that we are looking for is Docker Desktop. So before doing that, we need to make sure that we have 4 GB of RAM and also making sure that the virtualization is enabled. And we can do that by going to Task Manager, go to Performance tab, and you can see the virtualization is enabled. In most cases, this is by default enabled, but in case, if it is not, you need to follow the steps in BIOS to enable it. Okay, so next, scroll down and go to the install Docker Desktop on Windows, click on Docker Hub, and here you can see that you can get the Docker for Windows 10 Professional or Enterprise Edition. Click on it, and you can see here you can either save or run. I'll just click on run. Click yes. So you can see here, yes, keep it default. Okay, it says that you must restart your Windows to complete installation. So I'll click close and restart.